Shalom everyone, this is Doug, KI7LIK with Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. Just got an update with my grounding and bonding project for the shack here in Arizona. I attached these wires to the bodies of the radios where you would mount the brackets for mobile installs. Just used the screws that came with it for the mobile install bracket. And like on this one, I just used from another project that I'd bought previously for that 21 mobile installation, the 21 Ford F-150 mobile installation. I ran them down there. I'll get those cleaned up eventually. Hams in our projects. And then I put it down to that single point ground block that was trash left over from a installation for work. And then I ran it outside to the ground bar that I put for the mast. And here it comes out here to the ground rod from the mast, and then bonded to the other ground rod on the other side, the CB mast. And that's it, and little by little I'll have this taken care of and done. But when traveling a lot, I don't have as much time as I used to. At least that's my excuse. And then the next project is take that ground rod out and drive another one as close to 8 feet as I can in there. Be another step forward. I apologize for not having uploaded in 6 months, but I'm going to work on getting more out, maybe once a month as projects come along. Have a blessed day.